class, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well, and today we're going to be doing a battle of East versus West, Cleansing Balm edition. The two contestants are the Heimish All Clean Balm from Korea and the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm from the US. Heimish All Clean Balm comes in weighing at 120 milliliters for $19 US. Clinique Take the Day Off Balm comes in weighing at 125 milliliters for $30 US. The Heimish All Clean Balm is packing a nice base of shea butter, coconut oil, and a variety of essential oils that help balance the skin and soothe it. The Clinique Take the Day Off Balm is packing a base of safflower seed oil with no added fragrance and no essential oils. Heimish All Clean Balm has a nice floral design with a plastic packaging, and it has multi-layer functions. You open the lid and there's a spatula conveniently placed there, and you open that up and you can see your product. The Clinique Take the Day Off Balm is in a nice plastic package with a shiny silver top. Then you just open it and see your product. How does the All Clean Balm feel? It's a little like coconut oil with some added fragrance and a little bit thicker of emollients added inside of it. It melts down into an oily texture, and there's no need for harsh rubbing or excessive tugging at your eyes or makeup. Clinique Take the Day Off Balm is a little bit of a thicker consistency, and there is just a little bit longer time to take off your makeup, but it still is a very nice feeling, and it breaks down your makeup and SPFs very nicely. Who wins the category of free of common allergies? Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, because there are no added fragrances or essential oils. Who is gentler on your eyes and does not cloud them? They both are. Who is easier to find and purchase in the US? Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. You can find it at Ulta, Sephora, or any department stores where Clinique is sold. Who is more budget friendly? Heimish All Clean Balm, coming in at 16 cents per milliliter, whereas the Clinique is 24 cents per milliliter. Who wins the ease of application? The Heimish All Clean Balm, in my opinion, because there is a separate compartment with a built-in place for a spatula. Who wins as far as how fast they take off makeup? I would say Heimish All Clean Balm. Who is the winner in my book? The Heimish All Clean Balm. I really enjoy the scent of it. The essential oils do not bother me. I enjoy that there's a spatula that is built in, so I don't have to worry about getting makeup or any bacteria in my balm, although both of them are awesome. Where can you get the Heimish All Clean Balm? You can get it at many online stores, like olali.com is where I got mine. A lot of times there are online coupons, so check out for deals there. Another thing to add is when I was doing the price per milliliter, Clinique does go on sale, or you can find coupons like at Ulta, 20% off for Clinique, and so that does bring the price down as well. So this is a great balm. They're both great. I love them both. I just really wanted to have fun making this video and kind of showing you comparing and contrasting. So I'm going to go into the video of showing how it takes off makeup. stuck around this long, congratulations. You are now entered into a giveaway. So if you win, you'll be getting a sample of each of the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm and the Hamish All Clean Balm. And that way you'll be able to decide which one you like better before purchasing a full size. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below letting me know what other battles you would like to see. So I hope you guys enter the contest if you want to. I also have one going on at my Instagram account. That's at glamfreebeauty, and so there's more chances to win there. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. I'm the heavy lifter. Well, I'm the faster one. Well, we'll see who can take each other down. All right, it's on. Cleansing Balm edition. Can't keep a straight face. Don't forget to subscribe.